welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you'll know when all my videos come in. So as you can see from the title, what I'm going to be doing today is a flat twist and curl. So I've already done the back of my hair, and what I'm going to be using is this UniQurl. This is the only thing that I'm using on my hair, and of course just the water bottle or spray bottle if my hair gets dry. So yes, these are the only two things that I'm gonna put in my hair, and like I said, I've already done the back, so I'm gonna be doing the front with you. So I've actually already washed my hair and deep conditioned it, but I actually did that yesterday, and I had my hair in just some little twists, so that's why it looks the way it does. And I put some edge control on also. So my hair is of course dry because like I said, I washed it yesterday. So I'm just re-wetting, and then I'm just gonna put this UniQurl all over my hair. Like I've been seeing, like, you know how you get like the ads on Facebook that'll tell you, like, show you like different products that are for sale. So that's how I found out about this one. So I decided to try it out and use it. So like my initial thoughts are, it smells really good. So I guess that's the aloe and coconut in it, because it says the aloe and coconut 4-in-1 styler. So it's supposed to be a leave-in, a detangler, a curl cream, and a moisturizer. So we're gonna see if it can really do all 4 of those things. So I was just gonna do a wash and go with it, but you know, I decided to try something different because I've been doing a lot of wash and goes lately, and I've never tried this style on my hair before. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to try it. But it's been working, you know, pretty good so far as the detangler and moisturizer. So okay, so this one small section right here, I think I'm just gonna split it in half and just do 2 twists right here in the front. And then put this one up and away. So I know most people already know how to flat twist, but in case you don't, I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer and show you how I do it. So I hope you can see this, but yeah, you just pretty much take 2 pieces, and you know how you usually twist, you know, when it's not attached to your head, you pretty much do it the same way. Or if you know how to braid, you know, it's pretty much the same way as that also. But like I said, you take 2 pieces, and I hope you can see this, but this one piece right here, and then this piece. So you'll take this piece and pretty much just take it over to the other side, and each time on this side you'll gradually grab more hair, and then you just pretty much go from side to side. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, I'm not that good of a braider, but I'm a decent flat twister. So yeah, I hope you, like I said, I hope you can see that. Let me get a little bit closer. But yeah, so that's how I did the rest of them. And then when I got to this part, I just kind of held it right here, and I gave it a couple of more sprays. Grabbed a little bit more of the cream, rubbed that in, and then I just grabbed my dimming brush to make sure all the tangles are out, and to just get it, you know, more smooth. So after that, I just take the rest of this piece, and then I'm just, you know, just twisting it or twirling it, whatever you want to call it, until I got about right here, and then I left this piece out. Grab the perm rod, and then I just twisted this piece that's out around the perm rod. and then just try to get it smooth. And then I'll take this hair and put it directly over that piece so it won't unravel, and just continue to bring it up like that. So there's one piece done, and then I'll do the next one also. So same thing, curl cream or the UniQurl cream is already on it. So yeah, just do it the exact same way. Just take two pieces, take that one side to the other side, and gradually grab more hair as you're going down. And then when you get to the end, I'm just holding it. And if you see this right here on my head, it's just some old dried up edge control that I had on from earlier. But yeah, like I said, just give it a couple of sprays, grab a little bit of curl cream, put it in, grab your Denman brush, brush it out to smooth it, get all the tangles out, and then you'll twist it down like this. And then I'm letting this very bottom part hang out. Grab the perm rod, twist that around the perm rod, get it nice and smooth, and then wrap that around it to secure it. And then there you go. So I'm pretty sure you don't need to see me doing this in slow motion for the rest of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this section. I'll fast forward through it, and then when I'm done, I'll come back. my hair is looking. And I'm gonna try to turn around. Hopefully y'all can see this, but that's how it looks in the back. I hope you can see that, but if you can't, it doesn't matter. So now I'm just gonna go sit under my hooded dryer, and then when it's all done and dry, I'll come back. So y'all, it is actually 2 days later because I actually sat under the hooded dryer for probably like an hour, and I even used my handheld dryer, and then I had started taking them down and they were still wet. So I was like, I'm gonna just do it tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'll turn into the next day. So it should be 100% dry now. So I'm just gonna start right here, taking them out. The final result. There is just a little bit of frizz, which is okay. I don't mind that with this type of hairstyle where I want it, you know, like a bigger, or where I wanted, you know, more volume in my hair. So that's fine. I think other than that, it looks pretty good. I went ahead and did my edges on this side because I thought, you know, it went with the hairstyle kind of a little bit more. But yeah, I really like it. My hair actually feels like really good and soft. I think everything came out good. So I think the final verdict on this UniQurl is that it works really good. Like I said, it's a 4-in-1 styler, supposed to be a leave-in, detangler, curl cream, and moisturizer. Like I said, it smells really good. My hair feels really soft. When I was taking out the twist, I did have a good hold, which is also good. So yeah, I think the final thought on this product is it's really good. I think you should try it out. I think it would be really good for twist outs or braid outs too, which I might try that next with this also. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you like this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments if you try it out, or if you've ever done this hairstyle, or you know, something similar to this. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.